So, in my opinion, Bitcoin will pump after the halving like it did last halving cycle in 2020 and the cycle before it in 2017 and also after the halving in 2012 and 2013. So I think we'll see a pump again. Last cycle still 50k. Next cycle the prediction is still 500,000 and the cycle after that is 4 million. That didn't change at all.
Famous on-chain Bitcoin analyst Plan B has just released his latest video update for investors. In this update, he covered 6 separate on-chain indicators, all pointing to the same conclusion. Bitcoin is on a path to hit $500,000 per coin this cycle before reaching $4 million per coin in the next bull run. For those unfamiliar with Plan B, he is arguably the most renowned on-chain Bitcoin analyst, known for creating the stock-to-flow Bitcoin pricing model and for his eerily accurate Bitcoin price predictions. Each month, Plan B provides a Bitcoin market update, and in his latest update, he highlighted that the bull market has now begun, with all indicators pointing to a significant rally in the coming months. Be sure to watch until the end of the video, where Plan B explains why he believes it's inevitable that Bitcoin will hit $100,000 per coin over the next few months.
Stop, you don't have time. Don't miss out this 2025 bull run. Educate yourself first ahead of the crowd. We have created the ultimate step-by-step crypto cheat guide that will guide you this bull run. Unlock the secrets of crypto and make smarter investments today. Now by clicking on the link below to get your exclusive copy just under $10.
The big change in stock-to-flow and stock-to-flow model outcome is around the halvings. So big jump around the halving in the model value and then a price of Bitcoin that shows a little bit of a lag, but it eventually catches up with that model value, and that is exactly what happened last 3 halvings and what I expect will be happening, well, next year actually. So next chart, the Bitcoin market cycle, and we're still in a bull market. That was to be expected. Of course, nothing really happened yet, so we have to be patient and wait until the pump starts. Really can't do anything about it right now. Next chart, relative strength index, the RSI. The RSI increased from 66 to 69, and it's about the same level as it was in 2012. First red dot, right? First red dot, first month after the halving. 2012, that was also at a level of 70, and after that we spent an entire year above 70 and in even half a year almost above 80. That's what I'm expecting for the next year, as you know. We also saw that, by the way, in 2017, that red dot started a little lower at 60, RSI 60, but then it increased and we spent an entire year above 70 and more than half a year above 80. So only last cycle was, of course, a bit less than expected because of this big mining ban. China banned all the miners, and 50% of the network was killed in an instant. I didn't see that coming. Very few people see that coming. Well, it killed the bull market. But still, after the first red dot, the RSI jumped to even to 90, and well, that's what's ahead. Next chart, Bitcoin 200-week moving average, and that 200-week moving average is the black line, of course. It's at 30,000, 36,000 even right now, and it's rising. The Bitcoin 200-week moving average is always rising, as you know. So I expect this to rise into the future as well, and I expect it to rise faster, right? Faster, like here where you see that line curving upwards. Also here, first red dot, beginning of the bull market cycle, or the halving cycle, and indeed also the bull markets, because those always start right after the halving. It did so in 2020. It did so in 2016. It also did so in 2012. So, yeah, we'll see what that brings us. At least the 100,000 level We should see that anytime soon. And I'm for sure expect that to happen this year, but sooner than later. Realized price, very interesting chart at the moment. So the realized price is 30. The 2-year realized price is 47. They're both rising again. And note that this is very similar to, for example, this point where the realized price started rising, then flattened a little bit and started rising again in 2016, just before the bull market in 2017. And you see the same in 2012 here. The realized price rises, flattens, rises again, and starts the bull market of 2013. Then, also very interesting, the 5-month realized price, that's the light blue line, it's at 64,000 right now. And in last video we discussed this 5-month realized price. It's a support level for bull market dips, like this dip in the 2020 bull market. It jumped off this support line, and the same happened in 2017. This bull market dip jumped off the light blue line here as well. So I expect that to happen again. And in fact, we saw it in April. April dip, it was in a bull market. And okay, the 5-month realized price was 60 and Bitcoin was slightly below that at 59 or even 58. But still, in terms of monthly close, the 5-year or 5-month realized price was a excellent support level, and we bounced this month in May off that level, and indeed that level increases right now to 64,000. So to make an aggressive prediction, I don't think we will see Bitcoin below 64,000 again. Next chart. Realized return. Orange is back. Sellers in May got 38% in return compared to the levels that they bought. So that's very comparable, this pattern, to, for example, here in 2016, we see red, green, orange. Red, green, orange. And 2016, of course, this was the start of a bull market. Okay, so last chart, Bitcoin in profit, also back to orange. 93% of the hodlers are in profit, and we can compare that to 2020, where we saw red, yellow, and red again. Now we have red, yellow, orange. I'm quite sure we'll see a lot of red in the future.
Plan B's latest video update provides compelling insights into Bitcoin's future, as 6 distinct on-chain indicators all point towards a significant rally. According to Plan B, Bitcoin is on track to reach $500,000 per coin in this market cycle, with potential for a surge to $4 million per coin in the subsequent bull run. His stock-to-flow model, renowned for its accuracy, reinforces these predictions. With all indicators signaling an upward trend, the coming months could witness Bitcoin reaching unprecedented heights. This analysis underscores the beginning of a bullish market phase, with Plan B highlighting the potential for remarkable growth in the near future. His observations are grounded in data-driven analysis and past predictive success, lending credibility to his projections. As investors await the unfolding of these developments, the prospect of Bitcoin reaching new milestones looms large on the horizon. As Bitcoin enthusiasts anticipate these projections, Plan B's insights serve as a guiding light in navigating the dynamic cryptocurrency landscape. With his analysis pointing towards a promising trajectory, investors are poised to capitalize on the opportunities presented by Bitcoin's upward momentum. For more Daily Dose Crypto news, check out these 2 awesome videos on your screen. Click now and we will see you on the next video.